In this video, I'll show you how to enter a referral code on Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, simply to create your Cash App account using a referral code, of course you need to get the Cash App. Go to your mobile device and download the app. Enter. This is where the part where you need to enter their referral code in their profile. Alright, now, if in any case you can't find a referral code on your profile, we will have a separate video later. But for ages 13 to 17, you need to send a request to a parent or a guardian for approval. Now, of course, you need to link a debit card or order a physical cash card. And of course, send a $5 within 14 days of using the referral code. And sponsor and their sponsored account for those who are ages 13 to 17 cannot receive a bonus for inviting each other. Okay. Now, for number two, if you can't find a referral code on your profile or in their respective profiles, what you need to simply do, you need to contact the Cash App support by clicking on your profile icon, hover down below, right, where it says support. It's either you click something else or just start a chat. Now, you need to tell them that you cannot see your referral code on your profile or on your friend's profile, and they will simply guide you on how to fix this issue, all right? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.